Hello my stunning nailies, let me show you how to use the cat eye powders from the TNA, the nail art. So you'll need the powder, you'll need a black, and you'll need a top coat, and of course a magnet. So I go in with one even thin coat of the AS black. It is full coverage, one coat. I cure that for 60 seconds in a LED UV lamp. I then mix a bit of the top coat with the powder, and once I have the desired consistency, I then apply a top coat onto the nail and I leave it wet. I do not cure. Then I apply the mixture of the cat eye powder onto the nail, and look how gorgeous that color looks, guys. Oh, it's so gorgeous. So once I'm happy with that, I then go in with the magnet. Now guys, these powders are so versatile. They're basically a 3-in-1 powder. So they're a cat eye, they're chrome, and a polish. And as you can see, look how divine it comes out with the cat eye magnet. So gorgeous. The magnets can also be bought at the nail art. I then go in after I've cured for 60 seconds and top coat it. Cure again for 60 seconds. Now let me show you how to chrome. You're going to put a black or a blue or white, and remember, whatever color you have underneath it, it's going to change the effect. It becomes a mirror chrome. I cure the black for 60 seconds. I then top coat it with the non-wipe top coat from the TNA, cure that for 60 seconds, and then I apply the cat eye powder. Just rub it in, rub it up, dab, and you will soon see the mirror effect. Super gorgeous. And once you are happy with that, you would top coat it, put it in the LED lamp for 60 seconds, and then you've got a beautiful mirror chrome effect now, all with the same powder. Here I'm going in and mixing the cat eye powder into that top coat to now make a gel polish color out of that cat eye powder. And look how gorgeous that is, guys. Look how gorgeous. So you get 3 looks with one powder. Super affordable, super beautiful. Go to the nail art, get yours now. You get the cat's eye effect, you get the chrome effect, and of course you can make it into a beautiful gel polish color as well. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, please share, and I will see you in the next one.